Bertrand Louis, chairman of Belgian-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, has hailed China's role in developing green economy, saying the efforts made by the government are impressive.
We are looking also at the measures China will take for the greener of the economy, the greener of the country, because there are impacts in the rest of the world. We are all concerned with climate change, and China is playing an important role in that field. When you see China developing the solar panels, China developing the nuclear industry, when you see the importance the nuclear industry has taken in China to limit as much as possible the coal power stations, and some measures are taken. That takes some time, but the effort made by the government is impressive at that level. Once the government has decided to tackle the problem, if I may say so, important decisions have been taken, budgets have been found in China to develop a greener economy. By developing research in these fields, China is helping to find solutions to help us to continue to live here.